Hello guys, good evening. We're here today to change some battery to the door lock. So here I'm going to show you how the door lock looks like. It is a battery driven with a pin code outside and a ordinary knob inside. Here we go. There you go. Here inside this box, black box, there is a battery, what you call it, there is a place for a battery, and so if you don't turn this one this way, see, it's red now. It's supposed to be green one when you turn that one. So we're here to change the battery, so just wait. Alright, this is the batteries we are going to replace. It's a size AAA battery. There you go, 1.5 volts AAA batteries. So there you go. The finger voice is coming, the finger voice is coming. Mali, Ren, battery mo. Double A ang battery. So it was AA batteries, not triple A's. So this one in my hand is wrong one. So I have to use my battery. There you go. This is battery driven. So I have to pop out all of them. All now. I have to use my temporary battery. I have my rechargeable, but I don't want to use it here. There you go. I have my this is a rechargeable battery made in Sweden. I bought it here in Sweden, and I don't know if it's made from here. There you go. There you go. It is a GP Recycle Plus 2600. I think it's a NH. It's a rechargeable battery. So 4 of them we're going to use. There you go, we have 4 batteries now. So let's see. It's working, it's working. So we have to put back the lock first, the cover. Papa na, si Papa. Papa working. Yeah. See. Stay there, no. There you go. There you go. So that's it, and so it's open. So it's locked now. So it's not working. If you don't turn this one on a clockwise, it's not gonna open. And outside looks like this. Yeah, see, it's locked now. Yeah, so there's two systems. Either you have the pin code or you have the badge that you can open it. So I'm gonna push the code. I'm not gonna show you. Ta-da! Yeah, so that is how it looks, and that is how to change the battery of that Yale battery driven doorknob. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Jerry Rarizo, Jerry Analytics.